Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with my weekly meal plan with me in my makeshift home planner. And let me show you guys this cuteness. And I don't know, I dropped it. It was so very cute, but of course I'm still going to use it. Look at her. She is so cute, and I'm using this to hold my accessories and everything on while I am planning, which I just dropped my tweezers on the floor. But I just wanted to share that with you guys because I thought it was so cute. So just a reminder of what our spread looked like last week. I have my iPad here, and that's what you see. Okay, let's get right. Let's move that over to the side. And so we were on, this was our meal plan last week, and we used this beautiful Martha Stewart washi tape that I got from Michaels, and our budget was set at $100. Happy to say I came $15 below budget. But I'm not going to be happy about this because during the middle of the week, my husband did have to go and pick up a few things. So I'm going to try to eliminate his extra trip that he made this week. And because I'm limited for time, I'm going to use a half sheet because we haven't used a half sheet in a while and we like to change things up around here. All right. So let's jump right in, and my pen of choice today is going to be one of the pens from the LOL Girl line. I've been using the pen all day and it's totally disappeared. But this one just says, it doesn't say anything actually. It's pretty though. And we're gonna just use this weekly meal plan sheet. Now, as far as sticker books, I'm going to be using a combination of the Agenda 52 food books, and this I'm running low, and this is a backup. And then of course, the Happy Planner food sticker book. And finally, this Agenda 52 payday foiled sticker pack. And that's just to take the dollar sign. All right, so as far as washi tape, we are going to keep this real basic and simple. It's going to be very just plain, and that's it. Okay, so I have a cheat sheet with my meals on it. I had a cheat sheet with my meals on it. And you guys know I am recycling, so this is the same little half sheet. And remember, this came with the Joann's Mega Box. So here's our plan for this week. All right, so the only thing about this situation and setup is that it doesn't have anywhere for me to put my proposed budget. We can solve that because we can cover up this weekly meal plan with one of my favorite sticker books. Let's see. That's right. And let me not use this one because we have this one that has some black stickers. And we're gonna take one of these black boxes and we're going to cover up where it says weekly, and it's just gonna say meal plan. So let's see if we could do that. Okay, so we can see through it. I have my Tombow correction tape right here, and we're just going to white out where it says weekly so it doesn't peek through. Okay. We can put a lot of information here. So let's line it up here. And let's try to lay it as straight as possible. Okay. So I don't know if I'm going to use this big dollar sign because it's too big. I want to put the week, which is 9/10 through 9/16. We'll just put a regular old dollar sign down there. We're going to still try to do $100 and slash what's here. Okay. I'm satisfied with that. Let's throw down some washi. And we don't need a lot of washi. And we'll just keep the black and white theme alive, I guess. I think I kind of just want to use a ruler and not shake up things so much. Small rulers. Alright. So we're going to use this old school X-Acto box cutters. It's one of the first ones I used when I started planning, and I found it the other day. Alright. And then what we can do is put our excess on our little paper, and let's grab our pen. This isn't a pen. Let's grab our paper and let's cut that off. Yeah, okay. I don't really want to do all black and white, but no harm, no foul. I'm going, me and Mr. Master Planner, going to the Low Country tomorrow. And for those of you who do not know what the Low Country is, that is the coast of South Carolina, where people, if you've were a 90s baby, then I'm certain that you guys watched Gullah Gullah Island on Nickelodeon. I know my girls did. And that is where my husband is from. And so they have very, very strong accents. It almost sounds like patois. He understands patois very well, because that's how the people speak down there. So we are headed there. We always have like the best seafood. So I'm looking forward to some crab legs. We normally do like a crab boil or a broil. I don't know if they boil it for certain, but it has, it normally has crab, shrimp, andouille sausage, corn on the cob, and chunks of potatoes. So that's what we typically have. I like snow crab. They do have soft shell crab down there. I don't eat that, so even if they had it, I wouldn't eat that. So we typically, his cousin Chuck, he normally prepares that for me. So excited to be going, seeing the in-laws. Haven't seen them in a while, so it's always interesting, I can say that much. And so we're headed to do that. We'll get to see our little main man Marley, and that's gonna be fun because I miss him already, even though he hasn't even been gone but what, 2 weeks. I still miss the little fella. So all right, guess we're keeping with a black and white theme, because I'm just talking, running my mouth, and just keeping on going, which is fine. Alrighty. So here we go. Let's get down with this quick meal plan. This one will be quick, not because I sped it up, but because it's quick. So Monday we are having garlic, beef, and broccoli lo mein, and we are meal prepping. And then I think I mentioned to you guys a couple weeks ago that I got an Instant Pot. Well, I haven't used it, so I'm totally going to try to use it this week. On Tuesday, we are having curry chicken soup. And it has like curry chicken. I'm just going to put chicken, soup, and then curry. It has spinach in it, so it's something that I think is going to be really filling, stick to your ribs, and not super fattening. I got this little washi tape all over the place. All right, and then as you guys know, since we're meal prepping, it will only be these 2 meals. Okay. And then, so we'll have some wonderful curry chicken soup. Friday, we will eat out. Saturday, we will make sandwiches. Sunday, we are having instant pot ribs with yellow rice and collard greens. So I know that was super, super fast, but you know, I guess from week to week as you do this, it just doesn't take that much. So we know that we are going to be grabbing us some broccoli. And guess what? I'm almost out of broccoli. I'm totally going to have to get myself another food sticker book. Replacement number 2, because there's just certain things that I use in here. All right, let's get that. I'm gonna cut this so I can use it in both places. So I'm just gonna take it and cut it right in half. Okay. So we can pop this broccoli from here. And we can pop this broccoli right here on the side. Okay. So let me see. Down here, I'm gonna put meal prep for Sunday because we know that we meal prep on Sundays. So we'll do that. Can actually move this up a little bit. Meal prep. Okay. There's another cute little Friday sticker. And this is all from the Agenda 52 sticker book, so I'm just going to put some stickers down. And this says Sipping Saturday. I don't mind having a little sip. Don't have to be Saturday though, but since it says Sipping Saturday, just a cute sticker. Okay. So I know in one of these sticker books there is a piece of chicken. I'm gonna get this chicken. Let's see. Chicken. Is there some chicken? I'm certain when I first got this book, there was like a chicken leg. Look at the little chicken leg right there. I knew there was a chicken leg. I don't know why they only have one, but I'm gonna use this one chicken leg right here on our curry chicken soup. That's cute. Okay. Oh, we could use this little box of takeout for lo mein, but I think this is rather big. Yeah, we're not gonna use it, it's too big. But we might be able to grab something out of the Happy Planner for the one down here that doesn't have anything. We'll grab one of these bowls. This is more here, lo mein, than soup. But we can pretend that this is pho. We can just pretend. Okay. So what we're gonna do is just flip quickly here on the back, and we're going to get to writing our grocery list down. I'm going to grab my colorful boxes again and use some stickers out of there. And I'm grabbing my, I have my lo mein recipe in here. So I don't know if I've shown you guys this, but this is my recipe planner that I have been putting some great recipes down, especially as I've been meal prepping. But if it's not here, I will have to add it. All right. Oh, my little, I'm gonna have to glue this down with some adhesive. We can't have you coming up. I believe this goes up here. No, that doesn't go there, because I would have never covered up. All right, we'll put this here. And I don't think that I have it in here. Wow. Okay. That's something I have to add. And this is a work in progress. Now I have a Canon selfie so that I could take better pictures to put in here. And I got the idea to put the pictures in here from At Home with Keita. So shout out for that idea because it was a great one. And I'm making my daughter's one. I know that I mentioned Kai has hers, but Cash doesn't have hers yet. So, yes. All right, so let me find my garlic and beef lo mein recipe. I'm gonna grab my iPad and pull that up really quick here. So that is pretty much my grocery list for the week. I guess I can get, just to use them up, put a little icon right there with a grocery cart. There's so many of them. Okay, so let's take a good quick look at this. So this is our meal plan for the week of September 10th through the 16th. Budget set at $100. And these are our wonderful meals. And back here, you will see my grocery list. So as you guys know, I love to order my groceries. So I will be jumping on walmart.com/grocery, and I'll be placing my order for grocery and scheduling pickup for next week. Well, that completes our meal plan for next week. Guys, I hope you are sticking to your budgets and you are cooking and planning out your meals. It certainly helps. And if you're meal prepping, comment below and let me know how that's going for you. I've been challenged the past couple of weeks. Of course, last weekend, all plans for meal prep went out the window because both of my children were visiting here and there was just entirely too much going on. So in lieu of that, we will be back this weekend and we'll be meal prepping once we return home from the low country. So I hope you guys are making lots of good food with love and sticking to your budget. I'll see you guys next week. Hey guys, don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, give me that thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please follow me on Instagram. I'm at Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you here. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Have a great and productive week. Ciao, Bella.